how's it going? Today I'm going to finish this crazy project off with a water to air intercooler system. So in the last episode, I got this throttle body on, and before that, I made this wild set of headers, got my big hole set on there. So I picked up a few couplers and a water to air intercooler and a length of aluminum 2.5. Let's see what craziness I can come up with. So I think I'm going to mount this one straight into the coupler and then have my water to air intercooler just go from there to the turbo inlet. I've already clocked it and I think I'm ready to go and start doing this pie cut. Yeah, that's looking like it's doable for sure. I'm actually kind of disappointed. I thought this was gonna be a lot bigger because I wanted to fabricate aluminum, to be honest, but wanted to make a bunch of pie cuts. But yeah, that's gonna be like 7 or 8 pie cuts. It's only gonna be like 5 hours work, so that's not too bad. So what I'm gonna do is get right to it, make a bunch of cuts. I'm gonna have to do some measuring and sweet, so I got a bin full of 3-degree pie cuts. I gotta clean them up though, they're pretty gross. Bam. And just like that, I got them all cleaned up, sanded up, ready to be welded. I'm really excited about this because I love aluminum welding. It's so much fun and I'm very good at it. So what I'm going to do is go from here to there and do it all with pie cuts. I'm gonna do my best to keep everything a pie cut just to make it look nasty, and gotta get that flow too. Yeah, so I have the intercooler on an angle because my hood is on an angle. This is where my hood is starting to come down. So I'm gonna have the intercooler coming down a bit. So the plan is to have the intercooler cut out so the air will hit it and go over it rather than having the intercooler doing something silly like this. I know it's shorter if I had it up to where I had it before, but it's just not gonna make sense for aerodynamics, and that's important to me too. So this is where I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna start doing those pie cuts, make all the tacks, and then fully weld it. So here is the pipe I've made. It's all V-banded, tacked, ready to go, other than cleaning it. So I'm gonna clean it up right now. Now I'm wiping with acetone and it'll be all ready to be welded. She's hot, but she is done, and the welds look pretty good. This is something I'm definitely gonna polish, make this thing look real rad. So I'm gonna sand it, polish it, make it all nice. But first of all, I'm going to let her cool because she is one hot girl. All right, let's see if it's gonna work. So I'm gonna shove it into the bottom here and then spin it and then see if it's going to hook up correctly. Oh my God, that looks so good. Definitely needs polish, but look at that. That's just something else. That's looking nasty. I haven't bead rolled inside of here, and there's no way that that coupler is not going to pop off without that. So I'm going to weld a bead all the way around as smoothly as I can, and then I'll sand it smooth, and that's going to be my bead roll. So I just put a smooth bead all the way around. I don't have too much smoothing to do, actually. See how it works. If it's difficult to get in, that's a good thing. There we go. That's looking awesome. I think that's gonna work good. So do you wanna hear what just blew my mind? So you saw me make this, and I need to make a second one because I have 2 sets of headers. So what I did is I swapped out the intake with the other intake, the exhaust with the other exhaust, the other turbo in case it was different, and bolted it all up to this engine to make another one of these. So just for fun, I mocked it up to the turbo real quick, and it's the exact same. So literally what I made from that exhaust to this exhaust and that intake to that intake is exactly the same. So this is exactly the same. I'm actually like kind of mind blown here because it actually worked. I made everything the same. So that is super cool and reassuring that I kind of am doing this right. So I'm gonna make another one of these real quick and then I will polish them up as a twin set. Gorgeous.
Yeah,
oh, now it's welcome. He's gonna see this and be like, what? Welcome to, what is he building, an engine? Here, it's explain to everyone what it is.
You explain. You're the weld master.
Oh yeah, we're doing a lot of as you can see, look at all. Oh, look at that. That's pretty mid. Oh my god, the dog again. You can never. We're having a good time today. Oh, we're doing some. What are we doing? Man, we could go famous if I was talking. Oh my god. Get that out of here. So this guy bought a saw. Hey! Man, you can't put that close to the camera. We could go famous. Should we start a YouTube channel and outbeat Ty? We can get more subscribers.
Cut shit with a chainsaw.
We just cut shit, we become famous. Ty's gonna be like, no more Suicide MX3, it's the Suicide Ultima. What is this, Thomas? This is crap. Oh my god. I just cleaned this car too, deep cleaned it, and the guy just ruined it. Well, yeah.